This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, LED taillights, a remote entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.